Another day, another sesh. I really wish I wasn't making this video because I'm getting so sick of fixing things on this car, but I'm gonna show you guys something. So, I woke up this morning, today, surprise, surprise, and I attempted to put my windows down. I hear clicking, 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 but the window doesn't go down. It's only this side that goes up and down. So now I'm like, what the fuck's going on, right? So I went to the junkyard and I went and got me another switch. And I picked up a variety of pieces that I was missing on the car and a bunch of relays and fuses. I plan on swapping all these out and seeing if this is gonna fix the problem. But before I do that, I wanna test with this if I'm getting any juice to any of these fuses. Let's check. Another day, another sesh. It's your boy, Godrich. This story is called Life After Quitting Your Job. Or depending on who you talk to, after being fired. Alright, let's get it started. First, I start by washing my face. Something a lot of you niggas don't do. I mean, brush my teeth, get fresh. Alright, so this should be alright, that's not working. So let's try it with the power on. I feel like I'm supposed to take this cap off. I don't know why, but all right. So that was clearly a dud. Oh, okay. Hold on. Alright, that was a dud, that was a fail. Maybe I just don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So what we're gonna do here now, we're just gonna pull out all the fuses and see if I can find any that are blown. If none of those are blown, then I really don't know. Just sit up somehow. Okie dokie, I'll grab the phone so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this one first, and that bitch is good. I can actually see the second one is good too, so I'm not gonna pull that one out. Essentially, I can hear everything working. Everything's clicking and doing what it's supposed to be doing. That's why I'm like, I'm a little baffled as to what could be going on. See, that one's good too. All these are good, so it's definitely not the fuses. I can close this bitch back up because I guarantee it's not the fuses. Now let me try swapping some of these relays. First one I'm swapping is fuel pump because that one has a crack in it. So we're gonna grab this blue one here and replace that with this. I really don't want to, but I think I should, because look at that bitch. there it is, y'all. So this is what I did trying to steal it from another car. So I'm gonna use this one now. Put that back. Uh-oh, let me grab my light, grab my flashlight. Okay. Okay, so I replaced this one here. And now I'm gonna replace all these damn relays and see if my shit come back. If it come back, then it's one of these bitches. If it don't come back, then it want one of these hoes. So oh yeah, this actually looks better. Okay, so all the ones I took out right here. Right here, I get this out. Because I need 2 hands for this. Usually I take that off too. And then we just gotta unplug this hole. And then unplug that hole. Really, I don't need to disconnect the whole thing. Really, I just need to pop this out, so. Boom. Alright, so I got the switch out, y'all. Now we finna see if we can take another switch that I took from the junkyard. I bought it actually, so if this don't work, I can always take it back. Overhead view, so y'all can see what I'm doing. So first things first, unscrew these screws. That came out smooth. Unscrew the screw. That came out smooth. So the switch has been removed. That's the old, this is the new one. Here's the old one. So we're gonna do the same thing. Out the switch with another switch. So this is the old one. Again, theoretically speaking, this is the old one. So we're gonna put that over there with that one. And then we're gonna take this one and just slide it back in, because we're keeping this. I'm gonna use the same bolts, the same screws for this bracket here, so I don't have no issues putting this in. And then this joint here. Again, I really hope this fixes my problem, because I don't know what else to check. And I like hope this is not like something that's got to be like reprogrammed. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, it should just work. Okay, so the transplant has been completed. Now what we're gonna do here, because again, like I said, if it doesn't work, it's going back regardless. It's going back fucking regardless. And I can make that paint. I got that paint at the crib. So don't let this bitch not work. This bitch is going back. And I'm getting my money back. And then I'm just gonna buy a brand new switch. And if it don't work still, then I don't know. I might sell the car. That's usually what happens. When I can't figure out little minor shit, I sell the car because I don't want to deal with it. And then usually I see the car months later down the road, and they figured it out. I say, oh yeah, it was a battery problem, or oh yeah, your cable in your door was loose. Something so minor and so trivial, they figure it out within minutes of buying the car. Me, I couldn't figure out after having it for a year or two. See, like, this is the reason why I continue using the other bolts on the other side, because if you notice, I'm having issues putting these bolts in, and these are the same size bolts. Weird, right? It's probably my girlfriend. Oh, that's good. I'm glad you made it. Yay, it is my girlfriend. But before I test it, I'm gonna get everything, you know, kind of back together. Matter of fact, we ain't even gonna bother with that. This is how we catching it. This is how we gonna catch it, right here. This is gonna let us know everything we need to know. The switch works. Let's see if the windows work. That works. Y'all hear it. Problem solved. All right, y'all ready? Yay! That was a quick fix too. So it doesn't need to go back, y'all. It's fixed. So look, if you have this problem on your Honda Accord, you've tried the relays like I did in the beginning of the video, you've tried fuses, it's always the switch. Don't spend $400. Just go to the junkyard, spend the $10 and just get a new switch. Problem solved. Yay! All right, y'all, it's another day, another sesh. I'm gonna have another day, another detail video for you guys tomorrow. Y'all make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, we out. Quick little video for y'all.